Welcome back. This time I'm going to put on some rock lights. I've had them laying around a couple of years now. Difficult to decide if I wanted them on or not, but yeah, I now decided to try to put them on. First, I'm gonna need to make some holders for the lights. So yeah, I decided to use a tube I had laying around, try to make something out of it. So yeah, gonna try, see what I come up with. Right, so now I have the base form for the rock light holders. Now I need to customize each holder to sit perfect for where it's gonna be. It's a tedious job, so let's just go. I don't need to jack it up, so that's nice. Just need to find a good spot. 2 on each corner. So yeah, let's try. One done, 7 to go. Yeah, now the left side is done. So now I just need to make mirror image brackets for the left side, now for the right side. Right, now I have made them all. I have numbered them so I can remember where to go when I have painted them. So yeah, also made a drawing so I can remember which bolt and everything where to go. So yeah, ready for paint. Now the paint is dry, so let's put the lights onto the brackets. Now they are all laid out, ready to be installed. So yeah, let's try to do that. Right, now the lights are all installed. So let's see how I did. So the front first. There, I put one on the light bucket and one on the third bolt from behind, and in the rear one on the third bolt there, and one on the fourth bolt there. So yeah, now it's all to wire it up and see if it is cool or stupid. So yeah, time to hook them up. Right, it's all wired up now. As you can see, one wire comes here and then through over here together with the other one, and then I just follow the original harness all the way through here, in there and down inside, and then it comes down here, and just follow the original harness all the way back to down here, and everything comes together. And from the two rear corners the wires come here through here, made a new hole there, and then just together, not very nice but who cares, and then over to our little switch that I have there, and then to the battery. So yeah, easy. Right, they are now wired up, so let's see if they work. See? Yeah. Sweet. Nice. So yeah, just wait for the dark and then try them out better, check them out.